Leading this bulletin, our diplomatic presence in the Gulf region of the Middle East has now taken shape. Prime Minister Voreqe Bainimarama has officially opened Fiji's newest embassy in the United Arab Emirates, and in doing so also opening up the country to one of the world's premium high-end niche markets.
The new embassy, which is based in Abu Dhabi, represents the government's growing commitment to expanding our relations with the international community. In opening the new embassy, Prime Minister Voreqe Bainimarama says that he was proud this new embassy will provide consular and citizenship services to the many Fijians who live and work in this part of the world. Bainimarama also adding that no government can forget its citizens, no matter where they are in the world. The United Arab Emirates Minister for State, Her Excellency Reem Al-Hashimi, represented her government at the event. Also in attendance were several of our heads of diplomatic missions, as well as diplomatic officials from other foreign missions based in Abu Dhabi. Former academic and experienced diplomat Robin Nair will head our new embassy here, and as ambassador will ensure that the interests of both countries are facilitated through this new embassy. The Prime Minister is accompanied by officials from Fiji's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Industry and Trade, and government's investment arm, Investment Fiji. Bainimarama says with our ability to offer many niche export products not available anywhere else in the world, our presence in a high-end market like Abu Dhabi opens up those opportunities. There are some 227 Fiji nationals working and living in the United Arab Emirates. Jeffrey Smith, Fiji One News.